National Covers is America's #1 choice of boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. National Bimini Tops are handmade from solution-dyed marine-grade quality fabric that is UV-resistant, water-resistant, mildew, and rot-resistant. The solution dyeing process embeds the color into the thread before it is woven into fabric. This ensures that the fabric will remain color-fast and vibrant even after years of exposure to the elements. National Bimini Tops comes as a complete kit, including canvas, frame, and mounting hardware. The canvas is constructed by hand to the highest standards, including double-stitch seams and fully finished underside. The edges are reinforced for enhanced durability. There are full-width sleeves at the front and back of the top, and a shorter center sleeve to make for easy installation. At each corner there is a sewn-in D-ring. This provides a handy attach point for accessories such as sunshades. National Bimini Tops canvas is also available in a wide variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. The frame is double-polished 1-inch super trued extruded aluminum and significantly outperforms the standard 7/8-inch tubing used for most other biminis. No drilling or screwing is required to assemble the frame. The poles simply snap together. Each kit comes with 180-degree swivel mounts to allow for mounting on a variety of boat surfaces. Mounts are attached with stainless steel hardware that will not oxidize or rust. Your kit also comes with a storage boot to keep your cover neatly stored when collapsed. National Bimini Tops are designed to provide years of service. With marine-grade fabric, heavy-duty frames, and stainless steel mounting hardware, this kit is manufactured with high-quality materials for excellent durability. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.